trip has exceeded my expectations in many different ways.
It's been eye-opening and it's made my teaching practice a lot better.
I think I've definitely learned how to be resilient, how to think on my feet.
Everyone at the school has been so friendly.
It's been life-changing. It's stuff that I'll remember for the rest of my life.
You learn so much and you grow so much as a teacher and as a person.
I've always wanted to travel to teach.
Even if you're umming and ahhing, it's definitely worth giving it a go. It's just so beautiful.
I've watched other teachers who have been maybe trained in a different way and learnt from them as well.
But there's a lot more time that you have to explore the country as well, but to also meet new people and new cultures. It's a very sort of heartwarming experience.
It's been nice to get myself immersed in a different culture and surround myself with a lot of positivity.